All right, now it is your turn. So you're going to have two problems. One problem is going to be a one-step problem, and one is going to be a two-step problem, and it's going to be your job to figure out which one is which. So here's what the first problem says. Ryland has 27 shirts. Liam has twice as many shirts as Ryland. Tucker has 54 shirts. How many shirts does Liam have? You're going to draw a strip diagram, equation, estimation, and you're going to solve. The second problem says a garden has 3 rows. There are 15 plants in each row. How many plants, each plant has 2 petals. How many petals are there in all? So let me read it one more time since I messed up. A garden has 3 rows. There are 15 plants in each row. Each plant has 2 petals. How many petals are there in all? Again, you're going to draw your strip diagram, equation, estimation, and solve. When you're completely done, turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.